Hi, my name is 2022PawseyInternAPapasergio, and for the last 10 weeks I've been involved with CSIRO as a Pawsey Supercomputing intern. I'm a recent graduate of degrees in chemistry and textiles, and I have experience in computational chemistry using it to solve problems relating to geochemistry.
The internship project I worked on was titled Molecular Dynamics Insights of Sodium Chloride-Bearing Fluids at Deep Earth Conditions. So let's unpack this, and I'll start with deep earth conditions. So this refers to the wide range of temperatures and pressures that occur beneath the Earth's surface. So in my project, I was focusing on hydrothermal and subduction zone conditions, which range from up to 1000 degrees Celsius to 60,000 bar. Sodium chloride bearing fluids refers to sodium chloride being a salt and one of the primary components of aqueous fluids which are present in the deep earth. These fluids are what control the transport, complexation, and deposition of metals, which are important to us as they form ore deposits. NaCl, or sodium chloride, influences the stability and mobility of these important metals in the deep earth. So knowing things about the fluids that they're present in, for example, physical, structural, and electrical properties, is useful for improving predictions for mineral exploration. But due to extreme deep earth temperature and pressure conditions, taking these measurements experimentally is wildly difficult and in some cases impossible. So that's where molecular dynamics comes in. Molecular dynamics, or MD for short, is a computational tool which uses Newtonian classical physics, which simplifies atoms to just balls on springs, to model chemical systems. So in the scheme of computational methods, it's cheap and it can handle quite a large number of atoms. I learned how to use the supercomputer Magnus to run calculations and the remote visualization tool to process my data and to visualize my molecular trajectories. The 10 weeks culminated in the collection of useful data of these water and salt systems, some of which I presented in a poster form on the final day of the internship. Aside from working on my own project, Pawsey had a range of useful training sessions, and I got to know the intern cohort and leaders a little better too.
I'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which I conducted this research, the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation. I'd also like to thank my supervisors at Mineral Resources CSIRO, Dr. Wame and Dr. Feng Huang. And I'd like to thank the Government of Western Australia and the Australian Government for providing support for the internship. Thank you.